This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rogerio Alves. Beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in a well-maintained community. This spacious condo features a desirable split floor plan with porcelain flooring throughout. The kitchen has been tastefully remodeled, along with updated vanities in both bathrooms. Conveniently located east of I-95, within walking distance to shopping, dining, and public transportation. Just 1.5 miles from the beach and with easy access to major highways, a perfect place to call home or a smart investment opportunity. Enjoy the amenities of this all-ages community such as pool and courtyard with barbecue area. No leasing permitted and no pets in this community. For more information, review the details below.